Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
Good morning, sisters. I need my mic. Good morning, sisters. It's your girl A, and I am back and better than ever with another video. As you can see, your girl just got up not too long ago. It is Saturday, December 13th, 11:16 in the morning. Yeah, hey sisters. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning sister girl, hey boo hey. Welcome back to the motherfucking schedule program. So yeah, today is Saturday. I really don't have nothing planned, but I do kind of want to get out the house. I do want to go wash my car because I have bird shit everywhere. What else? I want to go to TJ Maxx because I want to get a new coffee cleaner. And some skincare. Like I said, I think in my previous video that I wanted to try some new skincare products. So I'm gonna try to go to TJ Maxx and do that and see what they have in there for me. I was just watching Regé Destiny's channel. She just had posted a video. She went to Marshalls, I think, and she got some new skincare products. So I'm hoping I can find some at TJ Maxx. If not, then I might try Marshalls, but I prefer TJ Maxx. But yeah, I'm just taking care of my skin this morning. Yesterday, I went to the dentist to get it cleaned, and when I left, like 2 hours later, my mouth was hurting the rest of the night. I think that girl was trying to fuck your girl up. I really don't know, but my mouth was hurting, so I'm glad today it don't hurt. That's really my main goal about TJ Maxx is getting some coffee syrup and face some new skincare products. Yeah, I just came on here to start today's video. If you are new here, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning sister girl, hey boo, hey, welcome back to the program. Like I said, yeah, today we are getting out the house for sure. I really want to go wash my car, so that's gonna be the first thing on our list. And then we're gonna try to go to TJ Maxx, see what they got in there, and then that's how I need. And then after that, I'm gonna be chilling. My trail riding team is talking about practice today. Not gonna cap, I really don't want to do that, but if they have it, I will go. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna go make my coffee. I'm not gonna let y'all see that because I always show y'all that. So I'm gonna make my coffee, and then probably when I get dressed and ready to head out, I'm gonna come back to y'all. So, okay, sisters. So it is later. Honestly, it's 2:21. So we are about to get the day started. We're gonna go start off at the car wash. It's lucky cold outside, so that's kind of irritating. Actually, no, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree first to get let's see, actually, cause I have some car stuff. Okay, now, so we got two of these, which is what I need. I got window wipes. Yeah, I do got some car wipes. So I really don't need to go to the store. Dollar Tree. So we're just gonna go to the car wash first, and then after that, we're gonna go to TJ Maxx. Fingers crossed that they're not busy. I'm pretty sure they are gonna be busy. It's Saturday. And the holidays are right. Well, Christmas is right around the corner, so yeah. But I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the what is it called? Car wash. I can't even think straight. Like, what is that about? What is that about, Lay? No, I don't need this one. We need to turn it down. But yeah, I'm about to vibe out. So. This is my song, y'all. Y'all don't know nothing about this. I'm from Grave Street, but we G slide. Slide and hit your Ricky, yeah. You know I like them dark skin like Shay Shay. Like Tata. You know I like them dark skin like Shay Shay. Sweet Shay Shay. Would you be mine? Hello. Good, how are you? Can I do the $10 one? Card. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. You too. Such a sweet girl. Such a sweet girl. So yeah, let me catch y'all when we get in there. Okay, sister, so I finished cleaning out my car. Now we are about to go to TJ Maxx. The way that this is, what's this place called? Car wash is set. I already know TJ Maxx is about to be packed. So, fingers crossed for me. Because I don't want to be around people. I'm going to take this jacket off until I get out the car. Next stop, TJ Maxx. I'll see y'all when I get there.
You can't even sit in peace. All of these be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you.
I don't
Waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see if you gonna give it what you need. Waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you are that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time with me, waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm taking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It can plenty things count in life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck, his chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it, the pessimist gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens, damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweeping room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped them, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean up my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. But that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste it with me.
Hold
Okay, sister, so I just left out of Ross. I didn't pick up any really. Only thing I got was a lip mask and then a room spray, a cardigan, and a rug. I'm gonna show you that stuff when I get home.
Shall we? Shall we?
I can break you off and you'll be doing all sweet on me when I don't go.
Can I take?
I can break you off and you'll be doing all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off and you'll be doing all sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off and you'll be doing all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off and you'll hear me do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off.
Okay, y'all. So I got out of TJ Maxx. I mean, out of Marshalls. They didn't have a lot of stuff, but I picked up 2 other items. So I'm about to go to McDonald's just to pick up me something to eat. And then I'm gonna go home and we're gonna show you everything that I got. I really don't have no plans tonight. So when I go home, I'm probably season my food to cook dinner. And my camera about to die, so yeah. I'll see y'all when I get to McDonald's.
How much are you using McDonald's mobile app today?
Yes.
You have a code available?
3390.
3390. All right, so 420 points. How you ordered?
Can I get the McDouble meal?
Okay, what sauce for the nuggets for drink on there?
Can I get honey, mustard, and a high C with light ice?
Honey mustard, ice or light ice. Okay. What else, ma'am?
That'll be it.
All right, $5.97. Ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. But yeah, after this, I'm going home for the night. I'm not coming back outside. I have food at home. Thinking about making some chicken and some macaroni. If you don't know, I'll be scanning my receipts on an app called Fetch. And you basically get points. Every receipt that you earn is 25 points. But certain items, certain receipts give you more depending on what you buy. So I'll put my link in the description box. If you guys sign up, I think you get 1,000 points, and I get 1,000 points. So hello.
Hello.
What's poppin'? Hello. Can I get some sweet and sour sauce too? At McDonald's. A McDouble meal.
I think that was.
What is you doing? Thank you.
And on my way to Papa Below.
To get what?
Girl, really to see what they got and see pajama pants.
Oh. Yeah, I just left the stores. I went to Marshalls and TJ. Okay, sisters. So I am back at home. I'm back at home. Like I told you guys, or like you guys seen, I picked up McDonald's. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the stores first. So from Marshalls, I just picked up 2 things. I picked up this vitamin C Bella Bliss eye balm. It says it reduces dark circles, puffiness, and signs of aging. I feel like I really have dark bags under my eyes a little bit. Trying to get rid of that. So I picked this up. And then I also picked up this ginseng and Noxzema cream. I seen the serum on TikTok. A lot of girls were talking about it, but I couldn't find it, and I was looking more so, of course, and I was looking for a moisturizer. So this is what she looks like. It is Korea. Korean Made. My girl Despy on YouTube, she has been talking a lot about Korean skincare, so we're gonna see how that's working. And then this is also made in Korea, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what she's talking about. So that's what I picked up from Marshalls. TJ Maxx. I picked up this Hydro Boost. This isn't the one I was actually looking for. That'd be better. Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser. Neutrogena. I picked this up. I honestly might take this back because now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not looking for this brand. I'm looking for the La Roche-Posay brand. So we actually might take that back. Then I picked up 2 syrups, as you guys seen. I picked up the Thin Toasted Marshmallow. This is sugar free. This is by the brand Mateos, but it was big. And then I also picked up another one. This is the Butter Pecan by Toyans. Annie? I don't know. This is the brand that a lot of people talk about. So I picked this one up. This is Butter Pecan. The one I currently have is the cookie butter, but I couldn't find that anywhere. So, yeah. And that's what I picked up from TJ Maxx. And then from Ross, I just picked up this cute little mat. I'm going to put this in my kitchen. I think I showed you guys this. This is only $10.99. So I will put that in my kitchen, I believe. And then I picked up also a lip mask. I think this is the lip mask my girl Roger be using. We're gonna see what it's talking about. But it's a lip mask. This is also Korean, I think. Korean skincare. Yeah, this is also Korean skincare. So this is what it looks like. She's super cute. So hopefully she works. And then it comes with this little thing to use for application. And then I also picked up this room spray. This is the Calm brand. This brand is also at Walmart, and I think they have it in their candles and their wax. So I usually get the wax things from Walmart, but I got the room spray, so this smells good, and this was only $4.99. And then the last thing I picked up was this cardigan. Just a cute black cardigan, but I've been looking for one that has pockets, that's not long, and that's not like a, I don't know how to explain it, but the material has been my issue. So I picked this up. She's super cute, super simple. So yeah, that's everything I picked up from the stores. That's everything I picked up from the stores. This camera is about to die, so I am going to put her on the charger. I'm gonna put her on the charger. I'm gonna probably chill for the rest of the night, honestly and truly. I don't have no plans. I don't have no plans for the rest of the night. So, yeah. But I'll catch y'all later. I want to do maybe some skincare tonight, so maybe we'll do that later on. If not, then I will either catch y'all tomorrow. I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow, so yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, sisters, so it is 6:54. I'm about to put on my dinner. I seasoned up some chicken when I got home. But I just seasoned me up some chicken legs. So I'm going to bake them because that's the easiest thing to do. I don't want to fry nothing. I don't really want it in the air fryer. So yeah. I didn't put my food in the pan. I'm really preheating my oven. And then I'll probably come back when the food is done. I'm going to make macaroni and green beans with it. So I might come back and show y'all the sides. I don't really know. But we'll see. So yeah, I'll see y'all sometime. Except Brinley. Brinley would have been a freshman. I would have been a junior along with Penelope that truck. So you see how to grow. Okay, yeah. So I finished cooking. I'm about to make my plate. Do y'all rinse y'all stuff off before you use it? I don't know what that came from. They say it's a black people thing, but I don't know. So I got some macaroni. All these macaroni, like shells and cheese, is a 10 out of 10 if you ask me. But I got that, and then I got some green beans. Okay, this ain't the best spoon to be using. And then I got some baked chicken. Here's my plate. I'm about to eat and really chill. I've been watching TikToks, but I think I'm gonna watch something on TV. Get off my phone for a little bit. So this is probably gonna be the end of today's video. If you are new here, I hope you guys stay to the end. Enjoy the video, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on her social media platforms. They will be in the description box down below. And yeah, sisters, I guess I will catch you lovelies in my next video. Bye.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest.